well as government support and buying power. The size, we know that Indonesia is 300 million population compared to Malaysia only 30 million, so we only just 10% of Indonesia. But you are being a regional actor director yourself. You're Malaysian, but not many people know that you are half Siamese. Your mom is from Thai, and your products, your movies, your content mostly are not catered for the Malaysian market, right? You have been all along regional and global. Are you not less Malaysian? You know, why are you in Indonesia more than Malaysia? So that's my question. Even though we are pro, but this is a session, devil's advocate, I have to be a devil now. Go ahead.
Global citizen lah, Malaysian passport holder. No, I think is I try to skip the personal question part. I'm trying to go into the official question, which is obvious differences.
The differences, yeah.
Yeah, the obvious differences, I think not much. In terms of taste, I think they are a bit more sophisticated. Pastilah kan. They're a bit more sophisticated, they're a bit more adventurous. I think because of the size, the sheer size of the country, it provides that kind of stability. I mean, like emotionally, like a lot of stuff, like, you know, kami bangsa Indonesia, yeah, maju terus. So that kind of stability where Malaysia will be like, but we're small, but yeah, look downside, we're bigger than Singapore. So we look at Singapore to make ourselves feel a bit
they have this maju terus, keren, but Malaysia biar Malaysia boleh.
Boleh, tapi tak sampai kan. Boleh, tapi tak sampai kan. So I think in terms of stability,